placer duo, Rowie!
Let's go, boys! Welcome back to the outside world, our second big placers. Just quickly, ang ating mga boys from Etiba, isang comeback housemate, isang tahimik na housemate. How does it feel to be second big placer?
Wow, Ate B, I have no words. Kundi, salamat lang po ng sobra-sobra. Hindi ko po in-expect na makakaabot kami sa ganitong punto ng buhay namin, ng PBB journey namin. Kaya sobra-sobrang thank you so much po. Habang buhay ko pong tatanawin nitong pagkakataong ito, thank you so much.
Una-una, thank you Lord! Thank you Lord! Nakarating kami dito. Wow, sobrang overwhelming talaga. I am so blessed. We are so blessed to be in this position right now. Guys, never stop dreaming. Always fight for your dreams. Let's go. Let's keep going, everybody. I love you all.
Congratulations, Rowie! And of course, kasama natin ngayon si Tita Cory and si Atty. Annette Bozon to congratulate the both of you. Muli, congratulations! At syempre, nandito din ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay! Congratulations po! Yes! At syempre, tanggapin ninyo itong mga premyo! Congratulations, Rowie! Grabe ang buhos ng mga luha ng ating mga boys. Once again, our second big placers, Rowie! At this point, kamustahin naman natin ang loved ones ng mga big winners!